Hi everyone, I'll be sharing my experience on a J1 and J2 visa. I applied for J1 for myself and J2 for my wife. So we went to Mumbai consulate, and when we were in a queue and consulate called us, these are some of the questions which I'm gonna share with you all. The first question was to me, why are you going to United States? So I explained that I'm going for a training and for X number of months I'm working with this company, and I explained intention of going to United States. The next question was how long you will be there. I explained how long I will be there with X number of months. Then she asked me for DS 2019 form, which is basically the sponsorship form. So I gave that DS 2019 to her. Then the other question was where I will be in United States. So I explained that I will be in Houston in Texas. Then she asked me, is my company paying for this trip for both of us, me and my wife? I said yes. And then she asked me how long I have been working with this company. So I gave the dates, how long I have been. Then she asked me, do you have a training plan which you're gonna follow there? I said yes. So I gave her those documents, but I gave the wrong documents. So I was explaining what the training plan is. She said me, are there different components of training plan? I said yes, it's on a second page. She said, I don't see any training plan. Then when she passed it on me, I gave her a wrong document. Then I gave her the right document and I explained again what my training components are. Then she asked me how much I will be making in United States. Then I explained, and then she asked me, am I making the same in India? I said no. Then she asked me how long we have been married. So I said it's almost 3 years. We got married in 2016. Then she didn't ask any question to my wife, and she didn't ask for any marriage certificates or photographs and all that. And then she said those golden words that your visa is approved and you'll get in 2 to 5 days. So that was my whole experience with interview on J1 and J2. I hope it helps everyone. Thank you so much.